Today marks 50 years since the assassination of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and tributes are planned across the country, including here in Boston. Our Lisa Gresci is live with more. Lisa?
Andrew, it is Martin Luther King Jr. dedicated his life to the message, only love can drive out hate. And here in Boston, those are honoring his legacy all day today and throughout the week. Today marks 50 years since Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in Memphis. Governor Baker and other state leaders will attend a ceremony on the steps of the Statehouse at 10:30 this morning. And at Boston University, where Dr. King earned his Ph.D., the week is very much dedicated to him. Today there will be a service of remembrance, but even though he's gone, many believe his movement is very much alive.
And we have to say we've come too far. We're not going back. We're going to build a beloved community. We're going to redeem the soul of America.
Whether it's the Me Too movement, Black Lives Matter, the Parkland students, these youth-led movements are really a legacy of the civil rights movement also.
Later this week here at Boston University, there will be another event dedicated to Martin Luther King Jr., where Deval Patrick will speak. That event's on Saturday. Reporting live here in Boston, Lisa Gresci, WBZ This Morning.